I hope this starts a discussion and we can carry it forward for the India of tomorrow and for the world of tomorrow, beyond the borders. Let's do that. So amidst this whole sea of cars, here I am with my bike. By the way, it was for 15k or something, and at that time I really needed a cycle, and how the universe made it happen, no? It's a foldable bike, that too. So foldable cycle from Decathlon, and these are segmented hoops from Hula Hoops India. So literally with just this much I could come in, I can perform. You can pay what you want. I don't want to ask for a fee. I can share the joy of whooping like this locally wherever I am. So I'm in Delhi now. If there is anything like an event that comes across, and we can try this out. I can ensure you, if you're a child or an adult or any body shape, size, race, nationality, religion, it doesn't matter, whoever or whatever you are, I can ensure that I can make you whoop, and you would be transported back into childhood. बचपन में सबने सब मस्तियाँ की होती है, बूढ़े होते होते सब भूल जाते हैं, और फिर हाय गर्मी, हाय कैब, अरे पार्किंग नहीं मिल रहा, अरे ये वो, हाय खाना नहीं खाया, हाय दिस, कितना परेशान रहते हैं. And then the one person who has solutions to things, you make them look sad, you throw them off platforms, you say you're not fit to be an adult. I don't get it. So I want to make that change myself. If you happen to know any occasion, say your birthday or any random day, say there are 365 days a year, calendar नहीं होता तो हमको पता थोड़ी चलता, नहीं पता चलता ना, हर एक दिन कैसे हम खुश बना सकते हैं. I can cycle into you right now and I can teach you, I can perform for you, I can make you perform, I can do it beyond labels and beyond borders, and I don't want to quote anything. You tell me what you can pay, how much money do you make, how much are you happy giving to somebody who would spend a little time. I don't say कितने टाइम में हो पाएगा किसी को, ऐसा नहीं होता है. किसी को 5 सेकंड में आ जाता है, किसी को 5 साल में भी नहीं आता है. वो मेरी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. You, it's about you. Are you cycling today? Are you driving? Are you hooping? Are you sitting home and just getting obese? Are you walking to the metro station, or are you everything? What job are you doing? How happy you are? What movies are you watching? Everything has an. Who are the people you are hanging out with? Say for this much time, you could be partying with the wrong crowd. You have no idea how it sucked life out of you. It's taken everything away. You have the power to change your life today, wherever you are. So don't think that this is it. There is always a way to take it forward from here. And yes, it's going to be impossible, but we can change. One small change, so many changes. Who knows? Maybe my generation right now, we don't have safe roads to cycle on. We don't have pollution-free skies. But the kids that everyone is reproducing, what earth are we leaving for them later? That's the question I ask myself. I don't have a child on my own, but every class I go to, every student I teach, there are 20 kids come in, they learn, I get my paycheck at the end of the month, but what? I don't sleep in peace just because of, it's not about money at the end of the day. It's not just about money. If the air you breathe is going to be toxic, you can take all that money and go buy yourself something to put on your face. If the food is toxic, then what point is that money anyway? If the roads are unsafe, day or night, what's the point, right? So I thought we as humans we consider ourselves to be one of the most supreme, but just look around, watch the news. I've stopped watching, you know what's going on. So there's a sun before it sets. I'm gonna make it home, otherwise really can't tell what happens here. Also see, don't drink and drive, all of these notices will always be there. But really, it's kind of like a classroom का teacher. चुप हो जाओ, कोई सुन के ही नहीं दे रहा, डस्टर फेंक रहे हैं, पीछे टीचर चली गई है, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. It's not like that. I mean, yes, it is about fun, it is about breaking rules and this and that sometimes, but can we move forward with a little more conscience, with a little more awareness, a little more compassion? Just think of it. How is it that you can make things better for tomorrow, the kids of tomorrow? When they grow up, are they going to blame you, the parents of today, who just sat on your butts and did nothing about nothing, just sitting and complaining? Or do you want to do something about it? Even if it means maybe risking your voice being cut out, risking your own life sometimes. Because as artists, हमारे पास insurance भी नहीं होता है. कोई guide क्यों नहीं करता इन सब चीज़ों में? There is so much to do. Can there be like a collective guidance? Can we do that? This is coming straight from my heart, and before I get caught over here, I'm gonna sign off. This is the first thing I've ever made like this. So yeah, I hope this starts a discussion and we can carry it forward for the India of tomorrow and for the world of tomorrow, beyond the borders. Let's do that.